In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple system fonts. If your goal is to craft designs that authentically resonate with the Apple ecosystem, integrating their official system fonts is absolutely critical. This guide provides a simple yet highly effective method, particularly for designers utilizing platforms like Figma, where direct access to these fonts might not always be immediately apparent. We'll walk through a straightforward process to seamlessly incorporate them into your creative workflow, ensuring a consistent and native feel for your projects. Our first step is to navigate to the Community section within your design platform. In popular design tools such as Figma, this area serves as a comprehensive hub where designers freely share resources, including plugins, templates, and complete design files. Think of it as a vast, collaborative library of creative assets. Accessing this section is fundamental because it allows us to find existing designs that already incorporate Apple's distinct typography. You'll typically find this option clearly labeled in the main menu or on the platform's home screen, often referred to simply as Community or Resources. This is precisely where we'll commence our search for reliable Apple-centric designs. Once you've entered the Community section, your next step is to actively search for designs specifically created with the Apple aesthetic in mind. Look for UI kits, templates, or mockups that clearly emulate iOS or macOS interfaces. Utilize the search bar effectively, typing in terms like iOS UI kit, Apple Design System, or SF Pro font. The goal is to find a well-executed, professional-looking Apple-themed design file. These resources are almost guaranteed to utilize the precise Apple system fonts, such as SF Pro Display or SF Pro Text. Once you identify a suitable design, a simple click will open it directly within your design editor. Take a moment to choose a design that appears comprehensive and authentic to ensure you're getting the correct font styles. Now that you have an Apple design file open in your editor, our final step is to bring those valuable system fonts into your own project. Within the opened Apple design, locate any existing text element. This could be a heading, body text, or a button label. The crucial point is that this text will already be correctly formatted with an authentic Apple system font. Select that specific text element and simply copy it using your standard keyboard shortcut, typically Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on a Mac. Once copied, navigate back to your own design project and paste the text directly into it using Ctrl-V or Command-V. Your design software should intelligently recognize and apply the associated font style, assuming the font like SF Pro is available on your system or through your design tool. You can then use this pasted text as a foundational reference. This effectively imports the correct font style, allowing you to easily duplicate it, apply it to other text layers, and build out your designs with authentic Apple typography. Always inspect the pasted text to confirm its exact font family, then confidently apply that style to any new elements you create, ensuring a consistent and native aesthetic.